This is a hand car wash cameo scene from Busch, in HO gauge. The set comes fully painted and ready to plant. In the box, you will find a soapy vehicle and 2 figures. The vehicle is a Ford Mustang covered in suds. It is sited on a special base that represents a pool of soapy bubbles. The figures represent 2 bikini-wearing ladies to indicate a charity car wash. And a bucket and 2 sponges are included to complete the scene. The hand car wash set from Busch. The soap base measures 75 mm by 50 mm.